dear students. Welcome to St. Joseph Academy's online classes. Today I, your English teacher Parul, will start the new chapter, which is chapter 10, and the topic is verb. This is first part of chapter 10, verb, in which we will study about what is verb, what is the use of verb. So let's start our class. So first we will know what is verb, how we can recognize verb. A verb tells us what a person, animal or thing does. Any work which we do or an animal do or any living being does, that is called verb. Verb is also known as doing words. Doing words means action words. What are action words? Sitting, roaring, singing, shining, sleeping, playing, eating, writing, fighting, burning, lying, watering, crying, flying. All these are action words. So, a verb tells us what work a person, animal or thing is doing, or what action is going on at that time when we are talking about that particular person, animal or thing, what work he is doing. Now we will try to understand the meaning of verb in detail. A verb is one of the most important parts of the sentence. Why? Because it tells the subject's actions, events or state of being. For example, if I say, I do my homework, it means the word do, which is a verb here, tells in which state I am, what I am doing. What I am doing? I am doing my homework. My uncle teaches me daily. What my uncle does? Teaches me. So here the verb teaches is telling the routine of my uncle. What my uncle is doing daily? He is teaching me. So if we remove the teaching from here, if we say my uncle daily, then the sentence will be incomplete because we won't be able to know what the uncle is doing. Or the dog barks. What the dog does? Barks. Barks is the verb here. So through the word bark, we get to know what the dog is doing at the time or what action the dog is doing at that time. So around whom the whole sentence revolves, that is called subject. It means when we talk about someone or something about whom the whole sentence is, that is called subject. For example, in the dog barks, dog is subject because we are talking about the dog. In my uncle teaches me daily, my uncle is the subject because we are talking about what my uncle does daily. Understood? Now we will see some action words. What are these action words? Walk, chalna, hang, लटकना, stand, खड़े होना, pull, खींचना, throw, फेंकना, push, धकेलना, jump, कूदना, hold, पकड़ना, sleep, सोना, sit, बैठना, swim, तैरना, paint, पेंट करना, and climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Like you climb the stairs or you climb the ladders when you climb at a height, that is called climbing. All these are action words, doing words, or you can call them verb also. All these three means the same. Whether you call it a verb or you call it an action word or you call them doing words, they all are same. They tells us what a person, animal or thing does when a particular action is taking place. So what we do, we get to know through the doing words only. Otherwise, how we will know what anyone is doing? For example, right now you are watching this video. So what you are doing? Watching. What is watching? Verb, or you can call it action word, or you can call it doing word. So the word watching tells us that you are watching the video right now. So what work you are doing? You are watching the particular video. This is the action word here. Now look at this slide. I have taken this from your book. This is the first page of our chapter 10, verb or doing words. Now what do you see in the first picture? In the first picture, the boy sits on a chair. What the boy does? The boy sits on a chair. So sits is written with the red color, and all the words written with the red color on this page are verbs or action words. In the second one, the girl sings a song. What the girl does? She sings a song. So sings is a verb. The lion roars in the jungle. What the lion does? It roars. So roars is doing word here. The sun shines. What the sun does? Shines. So shines is action word here. We play football. What we do? We play. Play is action word here. The boy sleeps. What the boy does? Boy sleeps. So sleeps is action word. Sheep and goats eat grass. What the sheep and goats does? They eat the grass. So eat is verb here. I write a letter. What do? I write. So write is a verb here. The girl laughs. Laugh means hasna. Laugh is a verb here because what the girls are doing? They are laughing. The fire burns. What the fire does? It burns. So burns is verb here. The child cries. What the child is doing? He is crying. So cries is verb here. The men fight. What the men are doing? They are fighting. So fight is verb here. I water my plants. What do? I water. So water is verb here. The book lies on the table. Where the book lies? On the table. Lies is verb here. I see the moon. What do? I see the moon. So see is action word here. The river flows. What the river does? Flows. River बहती है. So flows is verb here or action or the doing word. So all the words which are written with the red color and which are telling what the subject is doing, all these are verbs or action words, or you can call them doing words. So what you have understood from these? In all the above sentences, the words sits, sings, roars, shines, play, sleeps, eat, write, laugh, burns, cries, fight, water, lies, see and flows. These all are doing words or action words, and these doing words are only called verbs. So, what we have understood from all these examples? That a verb tells us what a person, animal or thing does, or what a subject does, what work they are doing at that time. All these we know through this. This is time for homework. What you have to do? You have to go through the video repeatedly and you have to learn all the examples and rules given in this chapter nicely so that you can do all the exercises. Thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.